Develop your intuition. Many of us look outside of ourselves for solutions when we have significant questions or must make critical decisions. But we frequently fail to seek advice from the most significant authority of all, our own intuition. Your subconscious mind is the foundation of your hidden wisdom, and it will always provide you with the information you require to proceed wisely. This holds true for everyone, not only those who perceive themselves to be clairvoyant or highly sensitive. Your intuition is a mental muscle you can develop and use to achieve success and become the best representation of yourself, just like critical thinking and intellect. By developing your intuition, you can make wiser decisions for life, inspired by your soul. You must be able to recognize your intuition when it talks to you in order to be able to use it. Intuition typically communicates subtly and in ways that are unique to each person. You could get visual messages in the form of visions or images. When your inner wisdom is directing you away from something, you may experience feelings of unease or confusion. Alternatively, you may experience feelings of elation and profound peace when you are being led down a path that will increase your level of happiness and abundance. Before deciding which direction to follow, make sure to spend some time with your intuition and searching within yourself for solutions. Be as clear as possible about the information you require and the types of solutions you seek. In fact, according to neuroscience studies, intuitive ideas that are not remembered within 37 seconds are likely to be forgotten forever. When you follow through on the advice you receive from your inner source of knowledge, you open up more opportunities between your subconscious and conscious thought. This way, you make it simpler for yourself to hear and act on additional intuitive signals. The effects will be bigger the more faith you put into your intuition. You must strengthen your relationship with your intuition in order to access it, and meditation is a great way to do this. Your ability to focus and learn to recognize inner impulses more clearly will both improve with regular meditation. If you want to learn more about meditation, you can visit the link below in the description.